Honor has officially teased its upcoming 500 series smartphones through its Weibo handle. The lineup includes the Honor 500 and the Honor 500 Pro. The Honor 500 series is speculated to launch in China on November 24th. We already see Honor 500 emerged in live images on Weibo, giving us our first real look at its design. The new lineup will sport a horizontal camera bar similar to the Apple iPhone Air and Google Pixel phones. The back of the Honor 500 appears to have a two-tone finish. The sides of the phone will feature a metal frame with a flat design. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro will sport the same design, with the Pro having a triple camera setup on the back. The base model will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC. The Honor 500 and 500 Pro are expected to feature a 6.5-inch OLED panel that supports a 1.5K resolution. The rear camera setup of the Honor 500 and 500 Pro will include a 200-megapixel main camera and an ultra-wide lens. Both phones will run on macOS 10-based Android 16. The phone will feature a massive 8,000 mAh battery and support 80W charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.